how to add a second account on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple accounts on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, simply open TikTok, head over to your profile here at the bottom right, and then you'll be able to see a drop-down icon next to your name. And here you'll be able to see an option of switch accounts. So you can add up till 5 accounts on a single device. To add a new account, you gotta click on add account, and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So simply head over, click on continue with email or continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with Google, or simply type down your phone number and simply sign up and create a TikTok account. If you already have an account, click on sign in and you're good to go. Click on login over here and simply log in with either your phone, email, username, Facebook, Apple, Google. And once you have logged in, you can simply head over, click on this drop down, and you'll be able to see all of those accounts you have signed in. So you can simply click on another account and simply switch account instead of logging out and logging into the account again and again. So that is basically how you can add a second account on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.